Is that quick Zelle transfer sabotaging your monthly budget? Let's be honest. Zelle is great. Need to split the dinner bill? Zap. Paying your roommate for rent? Zing. It's fast, it's easy, and it's right in your banking app. But that very ease is exactly why it can become a silent budget killer. Though small, instant transfers can disappear into your transaction history without the mental pause you get from using cash or even a credit card. If you use Zelle regularly, you need a system to keep those peer-to-peer payments accountable. Here are 3 simple strategies to manage your budgeting with Zelle transfers. First, the note habit. Every single time you send a Zelle transfer, you have the option to include a note. Use it. Don't just write rent or dinner. Get specific. Write July rent half or Taco Bell with Sarah. This turns an invisible transaction into a trackable expense. When you download your bank statement at the end of the month, these notes make it instantly clear what the money was for and which budget category it belongs to, like groceries, entertainment, or household. It forces you to log that expense, not just send it. Second, the envelope method, digitized. If you follow a zero-based or envelope-style budget, Zelle can feel like a cheat code that bypasses your spending plan. To counter this, set up a simple 2-step process. Step 1. Before you hit send, check the available balance in the budget category you're spending from. Is there enough for those concert tickets? Step 2. Immediately after the Zelle transfer goes through, log it in your budgeting app or spreadsheet. Treat Zelle like a subcategory within your major budget categories. So, your $50 Zelle payment for gas station snacks needs to be immediately deducted from your gas or food category balance. No logging, no sending. Third, know your limits, bank limits. Unlike some other payment apps, Zelle's daily and monthly transfer limits are set by your bank, and they can vary dramatically. You might be able to send $to $500 a day, or maybe only $500. Knowing this number is a crucial budgeting tool. Why? Because you can use it to set a personal, hard boundary for large, one-off expenses. If your bank has a lower limit, it actually helps prevent you from agreeing to pay for a huge, spontaneous group expense, like a last-minute weekend getaway, that you haven't budgeted for. If you know your limit, you know your spending cap. It's built-in self-control. Zelle is a powerful tool for modern money management. But like any powerful tool, it requires attention. By forming a disciplined habit of using the notes, instantly logging your expense, and respecting your bank's limits, you can enjoy the speed of Zelle without sinking your budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.